Welcome back, SilkieFarmers. Oh, we're gonna get a glimpse, catch a glimpse. Oh, there she goes, there she goes. Did you see her? I don't know if you've ever been to one of these before. This is our first trip. We drove 1,300 miles for 4 chickens. And we had to get them here. And I'll fill you in on how that works here momentarily.
That doesn't surprise me.
Tree chickens.
I was looking for pancakes, but she's up there.
Well, now you can talk about it. They like to roost high.
Yep.
Not, like cannabis high, but
Well, it is Oklahoma.
true. Yeah. All of this. Looked like that. And that. But now it looks like this. Oh, is that another rare sighting? There she goes. See if we can catch her. Oh, just missed her. So I alluded to the fact that we drove 1,300 miles for chickens. These are the chickens. They're silky chicks. We didn't exactly drive 300 miles or 1,300 miles for these chicks. It was just a bonus byproduct of the trip. So thanks for watching. See you next time.